Hey guys, I want to thank you for clicking to watch this video. I'm going to be applying some Wing Chun, doing some MMA striking after our jiu-jitsu session. So already you can see that I'm applying an open stance, so he's leading with his right leg, I'm leading with my left leg. This allows me to control distance a lot better than if I were to go with a closed stance. So I try to get contact with his front hand, and I can either come in utilizing a pack sow or a jump sow to parry that front hand. I can come in and out with my kicks, but I also can see his big kicks coming. It allows me to blast in with a lot of punches. Now I'm not looking to take his head off with these punches, but it's allowing me to enter and then start to set up even bigger strikes, you see, once I get inside or have him come against the wall. I can parry the front hand, I can parry his lead legs or his rear leg kicks. It's just much easier for you to be able to apply the game that you want to. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to be doing some jiu-jitsu. I've asked my opponent to try to strike me while I work from my back. So the whole objective here is to get arm control, head control, arm and head control, and reverse the position. Right, so here I'm trying to lock him up really tight so he can't strike. And this one here, I'm turning him over, looking to set up an omoplata. He's going to try to roll through, so I'm just going to shift my stance and get knee on belly, so now I get top control. Here I'm just fishing for his arm and head. I'm able to just use a basic balloon sweep, tie up his arms, and get into a good strong position. Here he's trying to work some strikes, so I'm trying to defend that. And because he opened his arm up a little bit too big, I was able to weave my hand around his backside, control his forearm, and apply a simple scissor sweep. So this time again, so I locked my legs down on his hips to create some space. Now I can get my feet on the hips. I'm attacking the shoulder. He's afraid of the arm bar, so he's gonna roll over and basically give me the sweep. Right here, I'm using a little bit of my Wing Chun just to parry off those punches, control him, and now I pull him right into some nice shoulder control. Now I swim that arm into a gift wrap, throw my leg over the shoulder. That's a lot of torque. That's going to turn him over and give me the free arm bar. So there I tried to use my shins, but he tried to defend that, which put it right into an arm and head control position for me. In these positions, it's really hard for them to strike. Here he tried to shift his hips to get my feet off his hips, put it into a butterfly, and then here I left a single butterfly and it opened up a simple leg attack. Here I go into the 411, into a cross sweep grip. Now here I'm trying to shift my hips. I still got that arm and head control. I slip my butterfly hook in, and that's going to allow me to create a lot of pressure to sweep him. There's some more punch defenses, trying to lock him up. So here he's using those punches, so then I grasp the shoulder, pull him forward. Now he can't punch, and it puts me again right into arm and head control. So I really like to get this type of control if we're talking about adding striking, and that's really all I'm trying to do. Here I'm using my shin to bring him over. Because it's safe, it's simple, it's low risk. I'm not looking to try and do a bunch of crazy submissions. I'm just trying to keep him from hitting me. Right here, he managed to get a body lock onto me.
Exercise.
So I'm basically just locking up his arms. I'm not allowing him to strike me in any way. So I'm not in any danger per se. So now I got to look to try and do something with this. Here I try to elevate him to get him to think about it, and that allows me to shift my hips, move into Williams guard, and then go again for that omoplata. But I choose to release it for a back position. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. I'm going to release a video like this every single week, every Friday. So please tune in and let me know what you think. Thanks.